Imagine this. Batman fighting crime in Gotham, but his sensors are offline. He can't hear the sirens, can't read the signals, and has no idea what's really going on. That's exactly what happens when your company doesn't track customer sentiment. Your customers are talking every day through reviews, emails, and clicks on your site. Their mood tells you everything. Are they happy, frustrated, or just confused? If you're not tracking it, you're flying blind. With tools like Intercom, HubSpot, and Salesforce, you can monitor satisfaction in real time. But here's where it gets better. Moksy.ai helps you build personalized feedback pages and smart websites that capture customer emotions instantly. You can embed quick feedback forms, collect data automatically, and know how your customers feel. Listen to what your customers are really saying and keep your brand the hero of their story.